Good afternoon to the honorable judges, teachers, fellow friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Li Jing An. I would like to tell you a story entitled The Lone Rabbit. Once upon a time, there lived a rabbit. One day, as he was eating, a hungry wolf began to chase him. He was very scared. He quickly ran to his friend, the deer, for help. A wolf is chasing me. Please chase him away with your sharp intellect, pleaded the rabbit. The deer replied, I'm sorry. I'm very busy. Why don't you ask the fox for help? So the rabbit quickly dashed to the fox. Mr. Fox, please help me. I'm being chased by a wolf. Can you save me, please? Begged the rabbit. I'd like to help, but I'm too tired and sleepy. I need my sleep. Why don't you ask the monkey? Said the fox. The poor rabbit was so disappointed. He went around asking all of his friends for help, but no one was willing to help. They are not my friends, they are selfish, the rabbit cried. Suddenly, the rabbit found a small hole under a tree and ran into it. He hid himself in the darkness inside. The wolf was furious, so he killed the deer and the fox instead. There was no one to help them. Remember, if you don't help others, no one will help you. Thank you.